gone will be that hideous blue.
Yeah, I hated that. I can't wait to get it off the house too in the next couple of years.
The what?
I can't wait to get it off the house.
Oh, well, I just gotta go out and paint it, I guess.
One. Oinky. Where's Oinky, Liam? Is that where he is?
Boy, I'm really glad I went and got that door.
Yeah, it's a nice door.
Even though I felt like I was on my deathbed, I got that thing.
Yeah. We get a door like that for the side door or not?
For the house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could we?
Yeah.
How hard would it be to put on though?
I don't know.
It'd be nice to have a new door in the house on the side.
Oh, there's the corner piece.
Was
Very
it $100 exactly? For the door?
It was $99 plus $20 for the... I'll put that in later. That's not going to take very long.
Let's eventually get a new door in the next couple months. What do you think?
For the side door?
Yeah.
We could probably use it then.
Yeah. That was terrible. What's your tummy doing? Did you go next door with Dad? Was Darren home? Jack's at school. Jack went back to school already. Uh-oh. Can't pull him through the mud. Tell Dad what kind of stuffed animal you're going to get for your birthday. He's telling you.
What, buddy?
Tell Dad again, he didn't hear you.
Binky?
Piggy.
Oh, Biggie.
So he got Piggy for his birthday.
Aw. Sweet. It just looks more solid now, you know? I mean... So now Creepy Joe's gonna be nice to us, right?
Yeah.
Is that you hitting me on? How you feel, buddy? All right. I'm taking a picture of Liam right now.
Oh, it's not for Oni, honey.
Typical. Yeah. That's good, Oni.
Make it Oni something free.
Phase 4. The junk heap. Junk. Motor cars, handlebars, tricycles for 2. Or bicycles for 2. Okay, Liam, I'm getting a picture of the big trash heap. And of the front and the roof. Okay. I'll put the handle on the door tomorrow when they're all done, you know. What, buddy? Hi, Liam. Say hi. You feel a little better? Good. The transformation is almost complete. Look at that back corner, holy moly. This is a really good investment.
Yeah. I don't think it really adds to the value of the house, but it would have detracted from the value of the house. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? That's what I was thinking about it.
Yeah.
They don't really look at garages, but they would have looked at ours because it was so wrong, you know?
It's something you don't notice unless it's
Yeah.
falling down. I'm glad you're feeling better, buddy. Hi. Hi, Oni. Hi. Hi, Oni. Hi, Oni. Hi, Liam. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
September 2nd, 2004. Liam, say hi.
Are you getting sleepy, buddy? Okay.
What's the matter?
What kind of tree is that? I'm not good with trees. I just love the color.
Red maple, isn't
Red
it?
maple, is that what it is? A red maple?
It's a Japanese variety.
I love those.
I think
I love the
Japanese
color.
are red, or almost red.
A lot of them
I
can
think
come in
that's
a
called a-
chartreuse color too. Very,
A
very
red
What color?
chartreuse.
Is that red?
or something. There's a tag on it.
That doesn't look like the red one that I'm knowing.
I had the little 8-pack. I had blue, green, yellow, orange. I didn't have the 100.
I worked at
fucking red.
colors.
I didn't have the
I don't know.
90.
She knows her colors,
You
okay?
got white, black, brown, green.
Let's not
yellow,
argue.
red.
Yeah, that's about all I need. I need 8 colors.
You got proof.
I can make any color of brown I need to out of 8 crayons.
Oh, neat.
I can make 400 shades of brown from 8 crayons.
Pony Spumoni likes his macaroni. We're riding on the pony.
Here, get this on tape, yo.
You really need that much?
I'm gonna do the corn 500.
Did you eat?
Ready?
Hold on, hold on. Yeah, beauty.
Don't miss it.
Yeah. He's always tired when he has to do
Yeah,
something
hey,
for me.
there goes Uncle
Not
Archie.
tired for any other reason.
Try to swing this thing.
Trying to do lose.
Yeah, blame the bat.
It's not a ball.
It could be a defective user.
Nah, I don't think so.
Whoa, look at it go.
Oh!
I didn't have to move the camera.
Yeah, but when it happens, it's gonna be cool.
Wow, that was cool.
Keep your eye on the ball.
Where is it?
Drumming.
Is it being thrown too fast? Whoa, popped up.
And that's
Remarkable.
videotape.
I wasted tape for this.
Those guys that follow a golf ball are pretty good with one of those, aren't they?
Oh, I know. I know. If I hit it 100 yards, I can, I can't see it.
I think they have like fox track on those things.
Yeah.
Hey, Liam.
Oh yeah.
You full?
Want a bigger one?
I mean, you don't
Back,
want
back,
no
back, back,
cake
back,
and ice cream, right?
Look at it now.
Okay,
Full of birds.
take
It's gonna
care
be
of
able to
that.
roost. You want a big one?
You really want to see something? Take a golf ball in the back of
That's not your problem with
Yeah.
the door. You can look right
It's been done.
Oh, Miffy's knocking things a mile.
Boy, has it been done.
Or is it ask Jesse about bouncing him off the tennis court?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I remember that.
God, he had a heck of a mouse that time.
Yeah, he got rocked. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was harsh.
I don't know what happened. I don't remember.
Him and Mike were together. Alan, we were down in Monroe.
I remember
Alan was playing they were playing in a tournament. He's playing baseball.
Story
And
time's
him
principles, yep.
Him and Mike were running around the park and they found a golf ball. So they were taking it and they were over on the tennis court. They were throwing it down on the thing, seeing how high it would be.
Oh, my
Try
God.
to do what Uncle
Well,
Archie did.
Jesse took it. He threw it down like that and it come right up and hit him in the eye.
I remember he
He
had
got
a,
ready to go. I mean, his eye was swelled shut.
he had a pretty good shiner.
My buddy Derek almost
Odie,
died.
what you doing over there?
What?
What's Tony doing?
Hey.
Tony.
He's over on the neighbor's back.
Here a second ago.
Oh, this isn't your deck, guys. Come on, Oni, let's go.
Odie, good playing. Liam,
Zoom in on that, eh?
Liam.
Zoom in on this.
Oni, look!
We present you this movie in 3D.
Oni!
3
Two beers and looks pretty good.
That's a dirty ass.
A couple weeks ago, President Bush came to town, and we saw Air Force One fly overhead. Yeah, and I didn't have the videotape. We didn't have the video rolling.
Neither the digital camera
Yeah.
or the video camera.
Well, he's our
But-
president
Yeah, he is.
My
for a
nephew.
while.
Well,
Yeah, unfortunately for another 4 years.
yeah, I know. I know.
Well, dude, it's
Yeah,
Dumb
so
and Dumber.
You say unfortunately.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's a cross between. You had a choice. You got.
Little run over here. They got
Well, I'm afraid Carrie might be another Dukakis.
World War II.
Not that bad.
You think?
Nobody is that.
He's actually fairly intelligent.
Oh no! Someone got.
Carrie? I know.
I like him. But
He's not inspiring enough, and that
Dukakis
might
reminds
kill
me-
him.
That's the thing is that very smart people are very dumb.
I know.
Tell me about it.
That's why Bush is so exciting, right?
Deer.
The 38 was single
pretty
engine,
smart.
right? The 51
Far from
was
dull.
double.
Smarter than you are.
51 were single engine.
Who? John Kerry or my brother?
John Kerry and your brother.
What? Who? Where?
Huh?
Who?
What
What?
about people smarter than me? No, I would have to say I'm smarter than John Kerry.
Okay, RJ.
Can you do head gaskets on a something?
Maybe.
You might be able to. That'd be pretty interesting. That should be part of
You have to remember that he's.
the presidential election. I believe should resemble something of the modern decathlon.
Oh boy.
You should have to be able to do all kinds of crap to be president. You should be able to change the oil on the limo.
The only thing I worry about with Kerry is that he's still going to have a Republican Congress and he's not going to be able to get crap done.
No.
It's going to be like the last 4 years.
Yeah.
The Republicans like Clinton, which was very
Someone's gonna
strange.
die.
Well, because
What?
he was moderate at best.
Yeah.
He's actually economically conservative.
Who?
Clinton.
I'll put him back in office.
See,
Can we?
here's the middle
We can.
There's me.
51 hit 25
as far as the political spectrum goes.
Oh yeah, here's the middle, and I think I'm over there somewhere.
single engine.
I'm across Michigan Avenue.
I don't even know what's going on. I don't care.
You should.
I vote
You
for the guy
shouldn't care.
I vote for the guy that's not named.
You vote for Nader. No, where?
that way.
Where'd he hit it?
Actually, I think I'm more liberal than Nader. I just don't trust anyone more. I don't trust myself.
I don't trust
Alright.
Nader.
If you vote for Nader,
See, the thing is that
Probably.
I voted for Perot.
and that's
I wrote him in.
Now you're
what
talking.
counting on. The more people vote for Nader.
I think Perot.
We need more rich guys that don't really care.
Yeah.
What you got? Give me a bite of
Who
that.
pretend they do and
Give me a bite of
No
that.
particular political.
They really
no,
don't care. They just want.
no.
He just wants to be president, Ross Perot. One more title. I don't know. I'd take Clinton back in a heartbeat.
I'll go over and try picking Liam.
Oh,
Somebody.
Well, dear,
Oni.
Clinton got out of office. You were what, 14?
Oh, he'll cut over.
I think they said at this age,
Ineffective.
Liam outweighed him by 10 pounds.
most of the stuff he wanted to get through was shot down. He was ineffective. And he will be remembered as an ineffective president because...
No, he won't.
Yes, he will.
Trust me. When you say Bill Clinton, no one thinks he's an ineffective president.
Believe me, in 30 years he'll be remembered as
They're
an
thinking
ineffective
cigar.
Like LBJ.
Right.
Yeah, he called his typist room the harem. Don't you love that?
The what?
The harem.
The what?
The harem.
The
His
harem.
typist room.
LBJ?
Okay.
Yeah, LBJ was an interesting sort.
What does that mean? Isn't a harem some order of angel or something?
No, dude.
Oh,
It's
it's
where
like
you have
brothel.
your pick of women for
Yeah,
your pleasure.
for your personal business.
Well, dude, I mean, LBJ wasn't elected, was he?
No.
So
But it's still kind of hilarious.
he was probably trying,
LBJ was never elected, was he?
he was probably trying to get fired. Huh?
Yeah, I think he was elected to
Oh, did he?
to the
He
next
got
term
reelected.
This is so
in 60s.
soft.
Ins-
Okay. We good? Ready?
I can't see it on video.
I think the shortstop just didn't get to that.
Yeah.
Liam.
Oh, wow.
Too bad, bud.
Well, I don't know. I think
Sorry, I was filming the airplane.
You got it in the.
Okay, Liam, get grab for one more.
You got it in the left. I got three. I got three pieces.
Get that one, Liam.
Try nothing. I'm gonna get a hot dog. Okay, Liam. That's the point, dude. It's like hitting tomatoes. It's just fun.
Whoa, good hit.
Where you going?
Yeah.
Got that on camera.
My plumbing.
No comment here.
I want to hit the hot dog. Here, the hot dog?
Hot dog and 2 corn.
Yeah, but I got 3 corn. 3 corn in the ball. You should have brought the old word.
Hey, need a bat.
Here. Oh, you want to hit corn?
Yeah, you want to hit some corn?
Come on, Liam. Yeah.
Keep your eye on the corn.
Where's your juice cup? Where's your juice cup? You must have been like a boy grandpa. I put pop in his juice cup.
More than Uncle Archie.
Mom's doing the dishes by hand because she doesn't think we should
Pick it up. Honey, I'm up today.
We only got about 20 plates. You can do it like that.
Oh!
Yay! I got that on tape, Liam. Where's Oni? Okay.
Tony?
What's he got?
He's over there trying to eat something. Oh, he's trying to break his shoulder.
Uncle Archie.
What you got?
Hi, old buddy.
What you need, Aaron?
He doesn't even know his own name. Not that name, at least, I mean.
Yeah!
Yay! You hit the corn.
Oh, boy.
Is she gonna be a handful?
Owners!
Yeah.
Owners! Oni, hi!
Elsa, we're gonna hit a hot dog.
Hot dog coming.
It deserves to be on. You know, a turkey died for that.
How do you know it was turkey?
Yeah, so did a piece of corn.
It's what?
Liam, hold on. You better,
Hang on 1 second, Liam.
Liam, come back behind Dad just in case. You don't want a turkey dog inside. Liam, come on. Stand behind Dad.
hard to explain it to the
Actually, really quiet.
Oh, it ain't going.
When you get hit in the head by one of them, you'll know what we're talking about.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I have no idea where that went.
It went in the bushes.
Okay. It's hard to, you can't really see it very well.
That thing came off the bat. It came off the bat like a firework.
Alright, some more.
Well, I saw that one.
Can't hit it this hard.
Yeah.
Here, let me check some more.
I'd say that's a
I
good
haven't hit one of
bat.
the trees yet.
Yeah, you can tell they're boys, can't you?
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Do something real messy.
Cake? You like cake?
Whoa.
Kitty, you want us to go ahead and start this dishwasher?
Yeah.
We want to wait till after we have cake and stuff.
Hi.
Full, is it full?
You want a Cecil Fielder
Is
style?
it
You want
not
it blown
full?
away?
More
I like it
plates
high
out there?
outside.
High outside?
I'll bring them, but Liam's, or Aaron's playing with
Oh!
my earrings, so I
Bye-bye.
can't go right now.
That corn isn't very aerodynamic.
Hand
We got plenty of more corn. don't worry.
Only hurting Grandma.
Such great food.
Earrings?
Oh, is that what he's pulling at? Oh. Can I hit one?
Yeah?
Okay, we're almost turned. Before it.
How'd you get corn over here?
Exploded.
You batting lefty?
Oh, okay. Well, a little bit outside. Just a bit outside.
You got the right, what do they call that? Form. Keep your eye on the ball.
Uh-oh.
This is the corn run derby.
Mama, you gotta hit this.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do.
You already.
Well, I'm not going to be able to do that.
That's why I hit this. You
Liam.
already should have borrowed it.
We brought you we brought a present and a card for you today, so is that what we're doing?
I think eventually.
Mom, you got the ball.
I can't hit it over here from batting right.
You're supposed to jump around.
I'm supposed to switch hit at the moment.
Yeah.
You know what?
Twist.
Will Mama hit it now?
Don't. Liam's got to get it, RJ. Don't. He'll have a conniption.
Yeah, it's right there.
Nice drama, Liam. All right, pitch us some corn. Hit the corn in the trees.
The corn's fun. I got more corn. Come on.
You almost could have got 2 cups of that one.
Whoa! Catch it, Liam.
Dude, I'm telling you, corn takes off.
Yeah. Beauty.
Thank you, Liam.
Jetty. No, that's one.
Oni.
Give it to her, eh?
What are you doing?
Mama, how do we the freeze?
Okay, I'll try.
Nothing in the freeze.
Yeah, it's cool. It's been very cool.
Where's the car? Mama,
What are you doing?
I hit this.
See, Uncle RJ hit it from the left-hand position while playing right here.
Come on. Let me get one.
Here.
There it is. You suck.
I got another Bible by the back. Are you hitting?
Where is it?
Another one, though. Okay?
Back up some, Liam. Back up.
I don't know if you can throw it that. Yeah, he can throw it that far. Good gravy.
Through the catcher's legs.
Here. I hit that. Good. You got the. I didn't go by.
Take it yard.
I hit that.
Left center.
Goes yard. Oh! Ground out to the pitch.
Here. I got one.
What?
That went pretty high already.
I think I've worn myself out.
Yeah, I know. All this hitting corn's making me sleepy.
Oh yeah!
Oh, come on! Haha!
Dude, I already took Liam deep, man.
You got those.
Of course I swung at it. It's not like I'm gonna get strikes counted against it. It's freaking cornball. I think the bat's corked.
Yeah, it's juiced. It's totally juiced.
What we need is a racket-filled softball bat out here to ping some golf balls. Is that rocks? Huh? You take racket balls and you pack them into a racket balls or super bounce balls. You pack them into a aluminum softball bat.
Who taught you that?
My buddy Derek. Dude, you've never seen anything leave a bat so fast.
Who taught him that?
Dad, I gotta go baby.
Thanks. Why don't you tell everybody else?
Dude,
He's got to announce to the world when he's got to do
his stuff go really, really
his
far.
business.
The other hard's that juices.
Your L puppy, your letter puppet, did you get it done and take it back?